My name is Zaid. For a long time, I cared too much about what people thought of me. Before making any decision, I worried about others' opinions. If I wanted to try something new, I asked myself, what will people say? If I wanted to speak English in public, I became nervous. I thought people might laugh at me, even while choosing clothes, sharing ideas, or following my goals. I kept thinking about approval. Because of this, I stopped being myself. I changed my behavior to make others comfortable. But deep inside, I felt tired. One day, our teacher asked us to give a short speech in English. I prepared carefully. At home, I practiced many times, but when I stood in front of the class, fear entered my mind. I looked at the students and thought, what if they judge me? What if they think my English is bad? Suddenly, my confidence disappeared. I spoke nervously and finished quickly. After class, I felt disappointed. Not because I made mistakes, but because fear controlled me. That evening, I went for a walk alone. Near the park, I saw an old man painting quietly. People walked past him. Some looked at the painting. Some ignored him completely. But the old man continued painting peacefully. I stood there for a few minutes, then I asked him, "Don't you care what people think about your painting?" He smiled gently and said, "If I paint only for approval, I will never enjoy painting." Then he added, "People will always have opinions. You cannot control that, but you can control whether you stop yourself because of them." His words stayed in my mind. That night, I thought deeply about my life. I realized something important. I had given too much power to other people's opinions. The next day, I decided to change. I started speaking English more openly. Sometimes I made mistakes. Sometimes people noticed. But slowly I stopped caring so much. And something surprising happened. The less I searched for approval, the more confident I became. Because I was finally being honest with myself. Now, I still listen to advice. But I no longer depend on approval to feel confident. Because I understand something clearly. No matter what you do, some people will like it, and some people will not. And that is completely normal. Final thought. Do not lose yourself trying to please everyone. Be respectful, be kind, but stay true to yourself. Ending line. Keep learning English, keep believing in yourself, and always remember, you do not need everyone's approval to move forward in life.